Hello everyone, welcome to Aerospace Engineering, your engineer. I hope the preparation of GATE is going very well, and we are going to start a series about how to approach the complicated problems in GATE Aerospace exam. So there are 6 subjects: aircraft structure, aircraft propulsion, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space mechanics and mathematics. So we will start the video series where we will find the complicated problems and we will see the approach to solve that problem and how to solve that problem fast. And if you are solving that problem with GATE calculator, then how will you approach? Because sometimes people get in the complicated and complex situations in writing the concepts, writing the formulas, and then they don't know how to calculate the concept, calculate the exact answer, because in that case the time gets lost and you can't solve the major questions. Fine. So the first thing that came into my mind is Airy stress function. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about Airy stress function, and then we will follow 2 questions, one of GATE 2020 and one of GATE 2016, so that you get the concept of Airy stress function and how to solve those problems. You will see that both the problems are of same standard. So in GATE exam, the thing that happens is that they don't change the type of questions or like this. They just confuse you with saying like different way, saying in a different way. They will say the same question, you have to find the same answers, but they will say that in different way. Okay, we will see that questions and how to solve those complicated problems. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, subscribe to this channel, like the video and share this content to as many students as possible so that they all get to benefit from this video. Also, you can join the Telegram group given in the description so that we can discuss more problems over there, and more problems will be discussed, so your concept will grow. Okay, so let's discuss Airy stress function. Okay, now in Airy stress function, I hope that you know everything about elasticity. You know the 3 equilibrium equations, you know the 6 compatibility equations. If you don't know, still I am going to write the 3 equilibrium equations. So what are the 3 equilibrium equations? These are del sigma xx upon del x, del tau xy upon del y, del tau xz upon del z equal to 0, del sigma yy upon del y, del tau yx upon del x, del tau yz upon del z equal to 0, del sigma zz upon del z plus del tau yz upon del y plus del tau xz upon del x equal to 0. These are the 3 equilibrium equations. Okay, the 6 compatibility equations are quite complex and you can't learn all those equations, but the 3 starting equations are very easy. Those are del square tau xy upon del x del y equal to del square epsilon xx upon del y square, del square epsilon yy upon del x square. Similarly, del square tau xz upon del x del z equal to del square epsilon zz upon del x square, del square epsilon xx upon del z square. Okay, similarly del square tau yz upon del y del z equal to del square epsilon yy upon del z square plus del square epsilon zz upon del y square. So these are 3 compatibility equations. These are 3 equilibrium equations which we are going to use in following the Airy stress function. In Airy stress function also it is solved using planar stress problem. Planar stress problem. So in planar stress problem, what happens? All the stresses in z direction are 0. So basically sigma zz is 0, tau xz is 0, tau yz is 0. Okay, so here we don't take this, we don't take this, we only take this. This is the compatibility equation for planar stress. So for planar stress we only take this compatibility equation. Okay, here also this is 0, this is 0 and this whole thing is 0. So for planar stress the equilibrium equation is this equal to 0, this equal to 0. Fine. This is how we solve the Airy stress function. Now let's proceed to Airy stress function. What is Airy stress function? So Airy stress function is actually not complicated. Only the formulation and solving it takes a little time. So we will solve the first question in a very easy way, following step by step. And in the second question, we will see that how we can go fast. Okay, if you know the mathematics very well, we can go fast. Fine. So if you want to derive actually the Airy stress function and everything, you can just use these two compatibility equations and these two, one compatibility equation for planar stress and two equilibrium equations, and you can formulate the values and you will get the Airy stress function. So Airy stress function is actually a function phi such that the concept is sigma xx equal to del square phi by del y square, sigma yy equal to del square phi upon del x square, tau xy equal to minus del square phi upon del x del y. So what they actually ask in the questions, they ask that they will give some value of phi, okay, and they will first they can ask whether that function is valid or not, okay, or in some way they can give the function, they can ask for these values, okay, or they can give the function and some coefficient will be hidden, they will be asking about that coefficient so that this exists. So basically the main concept is for existence of phi, del to the power 4 phi should be equal to 0, or we can say the actual method to solve is del square of del square phi equal to 0. What is del? Okay, del square is a Laplace operator. Okay, del is what? Del is a Laplace operator. Fine. Del is called del by del x plus del by del y. Del square is del square by del x square, del square upon del y square. Fine. So if you do the del, first we will find del square phi, then we will find again del square of del square phi. If that thing will be 0, then we will consider that yes, this Airy stress function is valid, and this Airy stress function will complete all the equilibrium and compatibility conditions, and they satisfy the both each other. Fine. So now let's see the first question that came into GATE 2020. Okay, it's a very easy question. It came in 1 marks, but in 2016 it came in 2 marks also. Fine. But it's a very rare chance that this come in 2 marks. Mostly it will come in 1 marks. It's just a point of speed because it's a lengthy question. It takes a time to differentiate. So people often give a lot of time to this question. Either it's of 1 marks or 2 marks. So you don't have to give so much time. So the question basically was that phi equal to a x to the power 4 plus b y to the power 4 plus c x y cube. Okay, they have given this and they have asked that which of the following conditions. The options was a minus b equal to 0, b a plus b equal to 0, c a minus c equal to 0, d a plus c equal to 0. They have asked that which of the following conditions will happen if this phi satisfies both equilibrium as well as the compatibility equation, right? And if this is the Airy stress function. So to solve it, we have to find del square of del square phi. So step by step operation is del square of del square phi equal to 0. We have to prove that. First, del square phi. So del square phi means del square upon del x square phi plus del square phi upon del y square. Fine. Now 2 times and 2 times. Okay. So I am just finding the 2 times of this. Initially it will be del phi by del x. So what is del phi by del x? It will be 4a x cube, no concept of x. There only one x is there, so plus c y cube. Okay. If you will solve del square phi by del x square, just differentiate this once more. Here it is only y, so this will be gone. 4 3 is 12, 12a x square. Okay. Del phi by del y, what is this? This will be same 4b y cube plus 3c xy square. Del square phi upon del y square, what will be this? This will be 4 3 are 12, 12b y square. Here y is there, so one more term will be there. So 2 3 are 6, so plus 6c xy. Okay, now we know we need only this. Okay, so del square of del square size. So what is del square phi? Just add it. 12a x square plus 12by square plus 6cxy. Okay, now we don't need these, we got the value. So now we have to find the del square phi, del square of this. So del square upon del x square of this thing. Okay, 12a x square, 12by square plus 6cxy, 6cxy plus del square upon del y square of same 12ax square plus 12by square plus 6cxy. Fine. So if you solve, I am just going to do 2 times differentiation directly. 1 time differentiation by x, so 2, 12 2 is 24, 24ax. Second time this x will be gone, so it will be 24a. Fine. Then here if you want to solve by x, this is no term of x, so this will be 0, so plus 0 plus only 1 time x is there, so the first differentiation will be 6cy, but second time it will be 0, so 0 plus, now here del y square same concept, no y is there, so 0 plus, here it is 12 2 is 24, 24by and second time 24b, so 24b plus, here it is 1 y square, so 1 time y, this will be 6cx and second time it will be 0, so 0. So basically it will be 24a plus 24b. This is what? This is del to the power 4 phi. Now del to the power 4 phi must be 0. So 24a plus 24b equal to 0, which means a plus b equal to 0. So I think you got the answer. The answer is B. Okay. So if a plus b equal to 0, then this will satisfy all the equilibrium as well as compatibility equation. Fine. Now we will solve another question of GATE 2016. You can pause the video and you can see the concepts again. You can rewind it. Okay. So the next question we are going to see is of GATE 2016. There they have asked a coefficient. One more thing. When they will ask a coefficient, mostly the chances will be that that will be a numerical answer type question. Okay. Fine. So what is that question? Let me write it. So they have given, so the area stress function is phi equal to 5x to the power 4 by 12 plus x cube y by 6 plus 3x square y square by 2 plus 7xy cube by 6 plus e y to the power 4 by 12. Okay. So they have given this equation of phi and they have asked that what will be the value of e, what is the value of coefficient e, such that this satisfies the whole equation. Okay. So now as soon as you see the question, the first thing that you have to find is del square phi by del x square. Second thing, del square phi by del y square. Just do the double differentiation directly. 2 times differentiation by x, 4 5 is 20, 20x cube, 23 is 60, 60 x square by 12 plus 3 and 3 2 is 6, so 6xy by 6, 3 2 is 6 and one time more 6y square by 2 plus 7 3 is, okay, only one time x is here. Okay, so it will be 7y cube one time and second time 0, so 0 plus, no, nothing, 0, del square phi by del y square, no y, 0, here y, one time only y is there, so one time it will be x cube by 6, second time it will be 0, here again 3 2 is 6, okay, so 6x square by 2 plus 3 7 is 21, okay, and 21 2s are 42. So 42x y by 6. I am doing it very fast because in the gate you have to do the fast. Here again 4 first time differentiation, second time it will be y cube, so 3, 4 3 is 12. 12 e y to the power is y square by 12. Okay, so easily I can solve. 12 5 is 60, 6 cancel, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42, 12 and 12 cancel. Now this will be del square phi, so del square phi is 5x square plus xy plus 3y square plus 3x square plus 7xy plus ey square. Got it? Now this again we have to find del square phi, right? So I will do the direct thing. Okay, I will differentiate this whole thing 2 times by x and add it with 2 times by y and put it with 0. So just del to the power 4 phi I am calculating directly. So it will be 2 times differentiation by x. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 10x and 10. So it will be only 10 plus 1 time it will be y, second time 0. So 0 plus no x 0. 3 2s are 6, 6x, so 6. 1 time it will be, there will be 7y, second time 0, so 0. No x 0 plus now with y. So with y there is no y 0. 1 time y 0. 2 times y, so 3 2 is 6y and then 6, so 6 plus no y 0. 1 time y 0. 2 times y 2ey and then 2e, so 2e. Fine. So if I add it, it will be 10 plus 6 plus 16. 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 2e equal to 0. So I think 2e will be equal to minus 22, e will be equal to minus 11. So the answer is e equal to minus 11. Fine. This way we can solve the questions of air stress functions. Okay. In the next video we are going to solve the plane stress problems. Okay. How the plane stress problems will be approached. Okay. We have got a little bit of concept of here plane stress problem itself. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video and also comment your opinion about how easy you have got about the air stress function, and also what are your complications, what are the problems that you face while preparing GATE, while solving the previous question, while solving the mock questions. So tell me the problems in comment sections and we will solve that questions. Okay, definitely we will going to approach those problems, and how to approach those problems we will consider that into the video. Fine. So thank you very much and stay connected.